On today's body cam, we're checking out. She thought police didn't see what she did.
How old are you?
25.
You're 25. How old are those three girls?
I don't know. I just hopped on the boat with them.
How old do you think they are?
I'm younger than 29.
Okay, then why would you pour them a cocktail?
I'm not pouring them a cocktail.
You actually did. You poured it into the green Solo cup.
This
and
is
then,
mine.
No, you poured it into the green Solo cup,
Okay.
and then you handed it to the girl in the black bikini. I watched the entire time. Why would you do that?
I did not do that.
Okay, why would you do that?
Who's holding it?
Okay, it's in the cup holder when they saw me spin around. So my question to you again is, I watched you pour from the Tito's bottle into the green Solo cup.
And who's holding the cup?
Hold the green Solo cup that you handed to the girl in the black. Why would you do that?
I did not pour.
Yes, you did. Why would you do that?
I didn't.
You did. So go grab your ID, and you're under arrest for possession of alcohol and for providing alcohol.
I did not even
you
do
did.
that.
I'm not blind. I watched you do it.
Do you have it on videotape?
Go get your license before I put you. Go.
Yeah, but just go with the flow. This is what you fight in court, not right now. This is not the time and the place to hold court.
Get your license for the last time.
Oh my God.
Maggie, relax.
Are you serious?
Yes.
Wait, what happened, sir?
Go away. Go
know.
get your ID.
You're gonna give her a ticket?
Yes.
But you can't arrest her.
Yes, I
I
can.
mean, you can, but don't do it.
I can.
We're just having fun.
I don't care.
What happened?
I don't need your help. Go get your ID.
Excuse me, that's my daughter.
I don't care who she is. She's over the age of 18. She can talk to you after I'm done.
Well, so we'll get a lawyer, and I want to
You're
know
more
what
than
happened.
welcome to get yourself a lawyer.
now.
Go get one.
What happened?
None of your business.
She gave.
Who?
I don't know. Something I just overheard.
I'm not here to argue with you, and I'm not here to fight with
I
you.
just want to know what's happened.
She provided alcohol to three.
But how do you know she? Do you know she?
You don't think those three girls?
To think that.
Okay.
What if she's not?
Young lady in the black. How old are you? There we go. She's 15.
Oh wow. All right, I didn't know. All right, just under a ticket.
I have every intention of it, but I'm not going to argue with everybody here on this sandbar. If she doesn't come over here within the next 30 seconds, I'm putting her in jail.
I'll go over there again.
Hurry up. Get your ID. Proficiency.
We respect your time, so we remove the small talk. Subscribe to Crime Scrutiny for fast, no-nonsense body cam.
Now, we're done. No. I'm done.
Give her a minute.
Excuse me.
Come on, dude.
You have to wear my license. You have to wear it for your permanent.
She's getting her ID, man.
Sure I can. Come on. Here, let's go. Come on.
No.
Come on.
Stop.
Come on.
Come on, dude.
Come on.
Getting my-
Come on.
Are you serious?
Come on.
Can I just get my
Come on. I'm not.
Your ID.
Excuse me.
Don't resist.
Hold on. I want to look at the time. So we got 44 right here. And let me see from the beginning. So she left 44.
Go get your ID.
You're gonna give her a ticket?
Yes.
Damn, 2 minutes? I mean,
Come on. Come on.
dude.
Come on.
Getting my-
Come on.
you know, I respect it. He's a no-nonsense cop. You know what I mean? It is what it is, you know? She messed up.
Come on.
Can I just get my
Come on. I'm not.
Your ID.
Excuse me.
Don't resist. Don't resist.
Surreal. Here, let go.
Can I just get my
Serious? You can't give the girl a few minutes to get her ID, dude?
No, he's not having it. Don't grab the purse.
Yeah, I'm grabbing her because it was in her possession at the time that I
No,
took her
if it
custody.
was, then why don't you let you give her the purse?
Go.
Wait, let me hold on.
Step off.
Wow.
Step off.
Nothing better to do.
Nope.
Why?
Come on, bro.
Step off.
Don't push her.
Step off.
Wait, but where's the...
Come on, let's go.
Dude.
Can you?
Come on.
Come on, bro.
Excuse me. Just don't.
What?
Now too. Are you
serious?
Yes, I am.
Whoa. What?
Where's the...
Come on, let's go.
Can you?
Come on.
Come on, bro.
Excuse me. Just don't. You're under arrest now too. Are
you serious?
Yes, I am. No,
What are you
you're done
doing
too.
right
Let's
now?
go.
What the f*** are you doing right now,
Oh,
sir?
this is
Please
perfect.
stop. I swear to God, please stop.
Can you let me show you my ID?
Stop.
I'm telling you right now, you are under arrest also.
Stop. Please stop. I swear to God. Please stop. I promise you, I'm not doing anything wrong.
I don't care.
Climb up.
I'm right here, girls. I'm right here with you.
Climb up.
I promise you, I'm not doing anything.
Stop. Why you gotta be like this?
Stop.
Stop fighting him. Stop fighting him.
Please stop.
Hey, stop fighting
My daughter's here.
I don't care. Go up. Go up. Go up.
Female officer, right now. Female officer, right now.
Okay.
Right now.
Who
Right
the
now.
fuck is this? Man, who the hell are you, man? Shut your ass up. Female officer right now. Right now. Female officer right now. Man, shut your ass up, man. We got a 2-for-1 special. What you talking about, man? You about to be number 3. Yeah. Being realistic, I think he should have gave her, a good, it was like 2 minutes. Like, you got to get through the water, get up there, find her ID. I mean, come on. You could have gave her, a good 4 or 5 minutes, give her a couple minutes, you know what I mean? Be reasonable, whatever. But I don't know, whatever that was, it is what it is. I'm saying for her to get her ID, but if he noticed that maybe she was just BSing and then, all right, you want to BS then? All right, let's go. Let's get you together. But the mom, she 100% deserves to go. She snatched the bag out of the officer's hand. Mentally, you thought that was okay? You got to your age and you think as you get older, you're supposed to gain wisdom. As you get older, right? Going through so many things throughout life and, you're supposed to gain some wisdom. And she thought that was the right thing to do. So the mom 100%, yeah, she definitely going. For sure. But let's see if we could get anybody else, because it look like we about to get a couple of people.
Right now. Right now.
You've been doing too much, dude.
Right now, dude. What is wrong with you?
Step up.
It's okay.
Step up.
Ladies, I'm with you. Ladies, I stand with you. Go up. Maggie, go up. Maggie, just go. Maggie, go.
Come on, man.
Maggie, go.
Don't touch her. Don't
We want a
touch
female
her.
officer right now.
Touch her.
A female officer right now.
Are you serious?
Just stay up there. Stay up there.
Go
Just
up.
stay, baby girl. Just stay.
Go up.
Female officer right
Go
now.
up.
Right now. Don't touch
Go
her.
up.
No, female officer.
All the way over. All the way over.
Go with them.
All the way over. Call your captain, bro.
I'm a woman. I'm a woman.
All the way back to the
Bro,
all the way to the back of the boat.
You guys just signed tape, right?
Sit.
No, call him. Call him.
Get off. Get off.
I'm gonna call 911 right now.
Go ahead.
I am. Call your captain right now.
I don't have a cap.
Yeah, you do.
No, I don't.
Yeah, you do.
No, I don't.
We pay your salary. Come on, bro. Give me your, call 911. Call 911 right now. Call him. Where you going, bro? Are you driving shit up?
Because I can.
Oh, you can?
I did.
Oh, why?
I did.
Why you ain't doing, dude?
Just stop. Just stop. Just
Why you driving shit?
We want a female officer.
Okay, why?
We want a female officer. We want a female officer. We
Call
want
the
a
captain right now, bro.
we want a female officer here now.
Sit down.
Female officer right now. Right now.
What's that? You're under arrest for interference. Okay. You're under arrest for providing alcohol to and resisting arrest. And you're also under arrest for resisting arrest.
I'm sorry.
And escape. Because when I put you on the boat, you jumped off and tried to hide.
I just have a question for you, though. Sure. What did she do in the first place?
She provided alcohol to
She's a mom and she acts like a fucking teenager, man. Look how she's hiding under the boat.
and resisting arrest. And you're also under arrest for resisting arrest.
I'm sorry.
And escape. Because when I put you on the boat, you jumped off and tried to hide.
I just have a question for you, though. Sure. What did she do in the first place?
She provided alcohol to
But I didn't.
You did. I'm not gonna. This isn't an argument for you.
You
This
have
is.
that on camera.
Like, sir,
No.
it's 9:15.
Okay.
I just want to tell you something.
How are you going to prove that?
What do you mean? I watched you do
I
it.
did not even.
We're
you did.
adopting a kid.
But you did.
We're adopting
kidding
that
me.
kid that you're doing this to.
Okay, but I didn't do it.
Didn't
But
ask
I swear, but I want
You,
Please
when I took her off the boat,
Because I
you
just
pulled
wanted-
that from me and then snatched from me. So that doesn't work. That's the end of the day.
You're right.
Okay, that's the end of the day.
But I have a question
It's a
for you.
simple ticket. And you would have been on
I
your
have a
way.
question for
But
you.
you want to acerbate
But I
that
have a
situation.
question for
There
you.
is no questioning.
I know.
Okay? You want to acerbate. You want to deny. You don't want to come back to the boat. Guess what? I don't
Listen.
care what any of those people think.
Can I ask you one question?
Okay, so here's the deal.
You saw. Listen.
Yes, I
Can
saw
speak?
you.
Can I speak?
Yes.
I was going to get my ID.
No, you were procrastinating, and I actually said.
See, that's what I thought. That's what I thought. Because I'm thinking, okay, damn, 2 minutes? That's no time at all. But he probably saw her lollygagging and BSing around. That's why he pressed the issue. Now that makes sense.
Somebody over to get there. He told you to come in and get your boat.
Did you not hear me asking her where she put my purse? So I don't know where I put my.
I had the purse.
She put her purse.
I had her purse in my bag.
I don't know where she put my purse.
Okay.
So all it took me was if you could not bear 5 minutes.
No, it was my fault. I had her purse.
Okay, it doesn't matter.
No, but
It doesn't matter. When I tell you that you're under arrest and I put handcuffs on you, you don't get to keep pulling away.
Can I ask you one question?
Sure.
You have cameras on this, right?
No. That camera's on me.
So
Turn around. Turn around. See, this is again. We don't listen.
I never fed anybody under the age of 21 a drink.
Actually, you did. Okay, all the way down like your mom, please.
It's not my mom.
Okay, all the way down, please.
Your mom.
On your butt.
I look that old.
Well, you're the one who told me that you were her
That she said that. She said that's my daughter.
mom.
No, I'm not her mom. That's my children are out there.
Okay.
If you don't have like cameras or anything, I was just making a drink for myself, and I never fed a drink to anybody under the age of 21. So then, if you have proof, go ahead and show it.
You don't remember telling me that was your daughter?
I said my daughter was on the phone. My daughter.
No. You said when you came up to me screaming at me, and when I told her to go get her ID, that she was your daughter, and you wanted to know what was going on. You demanded to know what was going on.
Yeah.
You don't remember that?
I said I have a 6-year-old daughter.
Nah, she got amnesia now, huh?
Go get your ID.
Excuse me, that's my daughter.
I don't care who she is. She's over the age of 18. You're under arrest for your behavior.
I'm sorry, but I'm trying to tell you
what am
something.
I under arrest for?
Your behavior. Okay, I'm gonna take the cuffs off you so I can take this off of you, and then I'm gonna put them right back on. Ladies, these two gentlemen are here to transport you only. They have no vested interest in this case. It's me who does, all right? Don't give them a hard time.
That one on.
How come they're not getting arrested?
Don't know what happened again.
Literally, like in the middle of adopting a child.
Listen.
You have no idea how to traumatize you next. Like, you have no idea.
They're only there to transport you. See, it's like you talking in one ear and out the other, man.
He's so mean. Like, what is he doing right now?
Okay, hop in. Here, I'll help you. I'll turn the AC up for you guys.
Dude, when they come
Court
for
records,
you.
Maggie was arrested on charges including providing an alcoholic beverage to a person under 21 years old and resisting an officer without violence, while Jessica was arrested on a charge of resisting an officer without violence. The case was later resolved when Jessica's charge was dropped by prosecutors. However, court records confirming the final disposition of Maggie's case is not publicly available.
ShyGotEm.